This hair is giving. Keep watching for the full tutorial. It's your girl T Marie back with another tutorial. This video is sponsored by IDNhair, which stands for I Define Natural, and they are known for natural hair products that are definitely beginner friendly. This unboxing is so satisfying, and I love me some extra goodies, y'all. The package included a cute headband, brush, product instructions, and hair clips. Let's get into these clip-in hair extensions, y'all. I received one set of 20-inch body wave clip-ins. They're made with 100% Remy hair and can last up to 12 months. We love that. This hair can also be dyed, and y'all know I have brown hair, so you'll see the finished product in this video because baby, yes, okay? I've also been noticing seamless clip-ins on social media, and I have been dying to try them. These clip-ins are made of paper-thin silicone at the weft, making them invisible and flat when installed. They're also thinner and lighter than your traditional clip-ins. Like, girl, what? Off camera, I used this hair dye to color the hair, and this was the final result. When I tell y'all this hair remains silky and shiny after coloring, and I experienced zero shedding or tangling. The reason why I love clip-ins are because you can accomplish so many hairstyles and you can take them out as you need to. But before I get into this install, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into it. I'm starting with 1 week old silk pressed hair, and today I decided to do a middle part install with my signature curls. Y'all already know, okay? And if you've seen my other YouTube videos, you know that clip-ins are very easy to install by simply parting a section of your hair, installing the clips, and repeating these steps. So I've already went through and flat ironed majority of the clip-ins off camera, but you'll see me flat iron some that I may have missed. And I forgot to mention, y'all, that 10 clip-in wefts are included within this bundle, and I only used 7. Only 7 wefts, y'all. And I achieved maximum fullness and volume, which you'll see at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. I'm going to let y'all watch me install these seamless clip-ins, and I'll jump in and give you guys my thoughts as well as some tips and tricks. So at this point, I noticed as I began to curve the clip-ins, they began to buckle, and I had to reinstall the clip-in. There are 2 ways that you can avoid this from happening. 1, avoid using longer pieces towards the top and just use the shorter wefts by creating more of a box. In that way, it will prevent you from curving the clip-ins and just using them straight. If that makes sense, I hope. Or you can also pull the clip-in somewhat taut while curving them. So I decided to just add a little bit more tension, and it did help them lay down flat at the top. My seamless clip-ins are fully installed, and I gotta say y'all, I love how flat they are against my scalp, and it's giving natural sewing vibes but with way less work. As you can see, the hair is thick from root to tip, and I don't feel the need to trim it at all. Off camera, I curled half of my hair, and now I'm going to style the other side. My flat iron is on 400 degrees, and this hair can take the heat and hold some beautiful curls. And this is how it looks after my curls are done. Like, what y'all think? Like, it's given, right? Okay. I like to allow my curls to kind of cool off before I start to disturb them and comb them out. But overall, these clip-ins are so voluptuous. Like, this is everything that I want and love in a clip-in hair extension. And to add in the fact that they're seamless, like, girl, what? But use my code TM20 for $20 off your order. All hair details and links are in the description bar. Like y'all, this hair is so bomb, and I would love to try their kinky clip-ins for a blowout look next, so I'm really thinking about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!